Today we'll talk about how can you set activity hours on your Wearfit app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go down here, you click here on me down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on your profile, you just click on it. Then you come to next here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on hours of activity here, you just click on it. And here can you set your activity hours in this list here. You select it. So then you click here on select, then automatically it's going to add with you. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.